Hey everyone, one of the most common questions I get is, Mike, what are the money moves I should be making in my 20s? And it's a great question because the financial decisions you make early on can have a huge impact on your future wealth. So today, we're diving into the 7 financial lessons you need to master by the time you hit 30. These are the things I wish I knew when I was younger, and trust me, mastering these now will save you a lot of headaches and make you a lot more money in the long run. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Before you do anything else, you need to understand where your money is going. It's like building a house. You don't start with the roof, you start with a solid foundation. That foundation is your budget. I use the 50/30/20 rule: 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and debt repayment. Life throws curveballs, your car breaks down, you lose your job, you gotta be prepared. That's where your emergency fund comes in. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. This will prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Debt is like a weight around your neck, holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Start by tackling high-interest debt first, like credit cards, then focus on things like student loans. 2 popular methods are the snowball and avalanche methods. Find what works for you and get aggressive with those payments. Retirement might seem far away, but the earlier you start saving, the better off you'll be. Take advantage of compound interest. It's like magic. The more time your money has to grow, the more you'll have in the end. Even small contributions to a retirement account add up over time. Investing might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by learning the basics and consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't try to time the market, just keep investing consistently over time. Your credit score is like your financial GPA. It affects everything from getting a loan to renting an apartment. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and check your credit report regularly for any errors. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest over your lifetime. What do you want to achieve with your money? Buying a house? Traveling the world? Setting clear financial goals gives you something to work towards and helps you stay motivated. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps, and track your progress along the way. So there you have it, the 7 financial lessons everyone should master before they hit 30. Or at any time, because it's never too early or late to start saving. I know it can seem like a lot, but remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Start with small steps and keep learning and growing. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And check out the recommended videos.